Ifakata isebenda ngakweliciniso Honorable Minister indzaba yase the Look Commission. Kufuna be honest to his heart kucala nje. Because he knows some of the things that are going on there. And nale narrative le drive wako. It's glaring. He should know about it as the minister responsible. Onke lama media attacks leswabonako time and again. He knows about those things. So if angaba honest, nanakwe latest nje lokwendekile se statement, all those things are deliberate. So we are that letindvo nalo ukuthi kunetinsolo tesisibhedlela sabobani, he knows about it. Nale ndzaba ye ownership ukuthi kube manje kuba parastatal konke lokho kufuna sikubuke ukuthi asisebenzele nama parastatals, kusebenzele eNazarene, kusebenzele eGood Shepherd. And number two, Honorable Speaker, there was a report a select committee. But in my recommendations, le kwa recommenda wona emalunga nayindlu naye. Kuthi akumane kubhadalwa. So now it comes as a shock ukuthi kuyabhadalwa. The very same house le yabhala kulawo ma recommendations ale report. We know about it. Kwaphasiswa ngilendlu le. Kufuna nathi lama electorates le sekathuka namhla ukuthi no, sakuphasisa endlini manje bese singasho ngandlela naye. Sizacela kuyobuka ukuthi ngabe sesingakusebenta kanjani manje bese kusidulela kakhulu. Le facility, there is no doubt, Honorable Speaker, I've been there. Banele lama kubalala ke likhadi ngiyasola ukuthi lemhlonishwa amangcongcola ka Oracle. Lela kambatho hawu laba baya la kusinika ema practice numbers. La ngi2 angifuni lokwa mention because uthathola sabakhona ukutophendulela. Deliberately nakhona ukuthi banganikwa ema practice numbers for that facility. Deliberately. Kukhona lapha kule report yethu. So ngikonje ngithi kufuna ayibuke holistically minister abuye nemaqiniso. Usinzile vice chair waka PS indzaba ye oxygen plant. They've got an oxygen plant. Leyasisita ngesikhathi se COVID. Lonke le live ikhona nanyalo but it's rotting. There was investment in trucks bewathengile, but conveniently government is preferring to spend to export oxygen at a very high price. In my previous life, I know how much it costs. Let's say oxygen in Swatini, but ikhona lapha I plant deliberately. Nakona kuthiwa no asekume because kwaka Look Commission. Ngongthi in spite of konke lathuta kwenda Honorable Minister la Mr. Speaker lo umuntu ukuthi attend nalo uqiniso nala kwatiko ngale yanzawo leya. Then we can take it from there.